If you want the perfect appliance for making delicious seasonal soups and scratch salad dressings, look no further than the best immersion blender. Also known as stick blenders or hand blenders, these lightweight portable devices are perfect for making smoothies and fresh drinks, too. There are many products available to choose immersion blender, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best immersion blender from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 2-Speed Hand Blender. Who says you can't blend on a budget? The Hamilton Beach 2-Speed Hand Blender may not be powerful enough to handle a hearty cashew butter or a frozen fruit smoothie, but the Good Housekeeping Institute lab testers found it can fully puree a thick soup, though it may take longer than with some other models. This hand blender only offers 2 blending speeds, high and low, but the 2 large buttons are easy to maneuver. With a wide circumference and slightly slippery grip, its 5-inch plastic handle may be a bit too short and unwieldy for that big pot of Sunday gravy, but is perfect for small batches. The blending attachment wasn't as sturdy as others on this list, but we still like that. All cleanup entails is throwing it on the top rack of your dishwasher. Pros: inexpensive. Top rack dishwasher safe. Cons: blending attachment isn't very sturdy. Not powerful enough to handle harder ingredients. Number 2. Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. With a whopping 15 speed settings, we were just as blown away by the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender as we were by its convenient dishwasher-safe attachments, which include a blender, food processor, and whisk. At a capacity of 42 ounces, the included mixing jar is by far the largest on our list, and the accompanying lid also serves as an anti-slip mat to place under the jar. This immersion blender also won't cramp your cooking style or your hand, thanks to its soft, narrow handle and easy to hold on button. Though it requires more of an up and down motion to produce a perfect puree, its unique design prevents that dreaded bottom of the pot suction vortex. Per the Good Housekeeping Institute, unlike other models that create a vortex that pulls food into the blades and suction themselves to the bottom of the container, the Breville's blade guard is uniquely shaped to prevent this. Pros: doesn't get suctioned to the bottom of your pot. Dishwasher safe attachments. Cons: requires an up and down motion during operation. Number 3. Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. Despite having narrow blade guards, the Good Housekeeping Institute found the Cuisinart Smart Stick was powerful enough to fully puree a thick vegetable soup in 90 seconds, but not enough to blend a smoothie. All you need to do is start on a low setting and slowly increase the power by adjusting the speed dial to produce a smooth, splatter-free puree. The built-in safety feature requires 2 hands to operate it, one to hold the shaft of the immersion blender and the other to press the unlock button and activate the trigger. However, the narrow and ergonomic handle is easy to maneuver without feeling too cumbersome and long enough to be perfect for deep pots without causing any of that dreaded suction. Though the blending attachment is hand wash only, the mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment are all dishwasher safe. Pros: built-in 2-handed safety feature. Can blend a vegetable soup in under a minute. Cons: blending attachment is hand wash only. Not powerful enough to blend a smoothie. Number 4. Braun MultiQuick 7 Hand Blender. If you look at cooking the same way you look at the DMV, you just want to get in and get out, the Braun MultiQuick 7 might be the tool you're looking for. With a dishwasher-safe mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment, this immersion blender prevents splatters by adjusting the height of its blade to the height of the food you're emulsifying. Most impressive of all, the Good Housekeeping Institute notes, unlike the other immersion blenders we tested, the Braun has a variable speed button. The harder you press, the more powerfully it blends. Furthermore, the conveniently narrow bell-shaped blade guard has no vents for food to get stuck in, but the blade attachment does tend to collect water, so you'll need to fully dry it to avoid any unwanted additives in your culinary creations. Pros: prevents splatter. Dishwasher safe attachments. Cons: blade attachment tends to collect water. Number 5. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. The KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender liberates even the best immersion blenders of a cord. It takes only 2 hours to charge this immersion blender to its full 20-minute runtime. The attachments are generous, too. There's a jug with a 4-cup capacity, as well as a mini chopper and whisk. Great touches include the scratch-resistant cap for the blender head and the variable speed trigger. We really like the blending cup, which is a lid with a removable insert, so you can add your blending attachment to make mayonnaise or sauces without any splashing or mess. This immersion blender also comes in a range of colors including black, red, blue velvet, and white. Cordless is taking off in a big way. Our best portable blender guide has more examples. Pros: takes only 2 hours to charge. Variable speed trigger. Plenty of colors. Comes with a chopper, pitcher, and more. Cons. Battery life is limited to 20 minutes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.